So welcome back. So it got disconnected in between. So we were reading the locus. So once you read all the locus, you will name it as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. Then you please use free hand to draw. Don't use any scale. Use free hand and construct the second stage of the front view. So now you can observe this was the diameter what we projected as our front view, and later the same diameter was inclined to 30° to VP, right? So then we projected out our front view. So this was the true shape of the circular lamina what we got in our front view, and this is the apparent shape because we can see some shrinkage in the area of the lamina, and hence even it will affect the true length of the diameter also. So this was the actual true length of the diameter. So now since it has been shrink to some value, you have a reduction in the diameter length. So this cannot be the true length as you have achieved in the first stage. So this will be the true length of the diameter, and this will be the apparent length of the diameter in our front view when it is resting on VP. Since it is a problem on diameter and it is told that the diameter is inclined to 30° to VP, which is over, and what is the inclination for HP? It is 45°. So the same diameter is inclined to 30° to VP and 45° to HP. So since it is a problem on diameter, you cannot directly shift the second stage into the third stage because there is a variation in the true length of the diameter. So what you do? First you take 45° to HP line. So this is our 45° to HP line. So please take 45° to HP line. After you take 45° to HP line, leave some space and fix one point of the second stage front view. So let it be A dash because you have to fix either A dash or E dash because this is the diameter what we have to shift. Okay, so fix one end A dash on our 45° to HP line. So after you fix it, please don't measure the apparent length directly. Measure the true length of the diameter. So measure A dash to E dash how much it is and just cut an arc. So once you cut an arc, you will get the true length of it. So name it immediately as E1 dash. So you can name this as E1. This is E dash, right? Just add an suffix here E1 dash. So same thing you can show. So once you mention E1 dash, write it as locus of E. So after you get the locus of E, come back to the second stage and get the apparent length of the diameter. So you measure from A dash to E dash how much it is. Fix the same point and you cut an arc on the locus of E. It will meet at some point. So thus you got the apparent length of the diameter. Name it immediately as E dash and join A dash to E dash. So once you join A dash to E dash, this is our apparent length diameter. Kindly extend that diameter line to our XY line. So then if you check the value, so this will be the apparent angle alpha, not beta. You please show it as alpha. Okay, it is not mentioned here. Please show it as alpha and write is equal to what is the value. So it will be 54. So alpha value is 54 what we got. So once you got the alpha value, we have to shift this entire second stage lamina to the apparent angle alpha what we have determined. So the procedure again is the same. You have the diameter over here. We know the 2 points. 6 more points you have to identify. All these 6 points are on these 3 lines. So you need to identify these 3 common points. So on the diameter, you just identify from A dash to this point, what is it? Kindly do name it. And again from A dash to the center, how much it is? Kindly do name it. And again from A dash to this point, what is it? Kindly do make a reference point. So after you make a reference point, you will just draw a perpendicular line to this diameter. So you start drawing the perpendicular line. It is just a rough sketch. what I'm drawing for your understanding. So kindly draw an perpendicular line. So once you draw the perpendicular line through this reference points, then go back here from this first line to edge. What is the distance it is? So this is a point A, so this is the first line what you have constructed. So this is the first line. So from the reference point here, measure the distance from there to edge, how much it is, you cut an arc. Similarly, from the same point to B dash, how much it is, you refer and you cut an arc. So you got now H dash and B dash. Name it immediately or else you'll get confused. So name H dash and B dash. And again come to the center point here. From here you identify the distance to G dash. So use the compass and cut an arc on the perpendicular line what you have drawn. And again from the center you measure to C dash what is the distance. From here you cut an arc. So you got now G dash and C dash. So you name it as G dash and C dash. And then come for the third line. From there you measure the distance F, how much it is. So from there you measure F dash and cut an arc. Please see that you draw it on the apparent diameter, not on the true length diameter. If you do that, you will go wrong. And again from the midpoint to D, what is the distance? You cut an arc. So you got all the points now. So you have named B dash, C dash, D dash, H dash, G dash and F dash. So again using freehand, join A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to E dash, E dash to F dash, F dash to G dash, G dash to H dash. So now you shifted the second stage front view lamina of circular one to our apparent angle alpha what we have determined as per the question, because the diameter is inclined to the apparent angle. So once it is done, the rest part is easy. So you will take the projection from each point on the circumference of the circle, and then you will extend the projection from our top view also. Then read the locus carefully or else you will misplace the points. So A dash is meeting A on XY plane. So this is our A. And then B dash is meeting our B here. So this is our B. C dash is meeting the locus of C at this point. So this is our C. D dash is meeting our locus of D at this point. So this is our D. And then again E is meeting the E dash locus is meeting the locus of E at this point. So this is our E. The locus of F dash is meeting the locus of F at this point. So this is our F. Okay, this is F. F dash is meeting F. And then D. So we have the locus of D meeting D dash at this point. So this is our D. And lastly, the locus of E is meeting E dash at this point. So this is our E. So name it. Without naming, don't try to join. So once you name it, in a single stretch darken it, because drawing the lamina and again redrawing it will be overwritten, double line sometimes. So use a thick pencil directly and join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G and G to H. You should be good in drawing and your hand should be flexible to draw a smooth curve. Then only it shows you the improvement and perfection in drawing a circular lamina. So please try it out and then start up with the problem. So when you join, so you will get the top view of the lamina, circular lamina, when the diameter is been inclined to a particular angle, apparent angle of 54 degree in our front view case. So this is how you have to solve the problem if it is a case in which the diameter of the given lamina is resting in VP. If it is in HP, it is the case how we solve with determining the beta angle. If it is a diameter problem and if it is resting in VP, this is the case how we have to solve and determine the apparent angle alpha. Okay, so and this is a simple one, you can go through it. It is exactly similar to how the problem was coming with respect to when a point is resting on HP. Okay, so all type of problems I have covered. So I will be sharing the list of the problems what you have to solve, and all the problems are shared in the video links except the beta angle for problem resting in VP. I have given a good description over here. You can kindly listen to the Zoom class recording also what I'll be sending, and kindly complete the problems. So from the next class we'll be starting with projection of solids. If you have any doubts, you're free to ask. Or else I will end for the day. Videos are there in the YouTube channel. I will share the links in the Google Classroom, and I'll share the links for today's Zoom class also. Kindly refer and complete the problem at the earliest. Some students are doing well, they are sticking to the due dates, some are lagging behind. See that you do it on time, hopefully. Yes, Mama, you are there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there, ma'am.
Yeah, you're good. You're uploading all the things within the time. There are other students also who are doing punctually. Some are lagging behind. I hope I can understand. It is a subject on graphics. It takes time for them to understand. So I'm taking double effort in explaining and showing the videos also. So kindly do understand. If any doubts, you people are free to ask at any time. But see that you understand the concept and do the work properly until and unless the college reopens. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Take care. Bye bye. Be safe. Submit all the things which has been asked to you on time. Just an humble request. So we will see you again back on Friday with the projection of solid topic. So see that everyone is there in the. Who is your batch representative, Mohammed?
Praneet, ma'am.
Okay. I think you told me last time also. Okay, so just inform him to address to the students so that always 26 or 29 students do come out of 31. Every students have to be there. So ask them everyone to attend. So from the next class we'll be starting with projection of solids. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, bye then. Take care everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. Bye Prajwal and Navya who are there. So everyone take care and bye bye. We'll see you in the next class on projection of solids.